Have to be a part of the unveiling of the trophy, the event and the function that happened on that day at Modern School, and was fortunate enough to be a part of it. And I did, make a prediction on that very day and said that, we've just seen the Women's World Cup come to the Indian women's team, and I am very, very sure and positive about the fact, only looking at the passion and the kind of hard work that all of you had done, and because of that I had complete belief that you will bring the World Cup back and complete this campaign of the Indian team, whether it's the men's Indian team, the women's Indian team, the men's team for the blind, or the women's team for the blind, and now actually hoisting the Indian flag on every aspect of the cricketing world. That's really an achievement, and not a mean achievement. And really the people who are behind you, who are associated with you, who are supporting you, whether it is the associations, whether it's Samarthan Group, whether it is all those other people that have actually made it possible. It's not just one person's effort, it is all of you put together, your families, the hard work they had to do, जो आपके परिवारों ने आपके लिए योगदान दिया है और आपको सपोर्ट किया है, आपके साथ रहने का काम किया है, इसके लिए वो भी बधाई के पात्र हैं, आप भी बधाई के पात्र हैं। और साथ साथ वो सब लोग जिन लोगों ने, चाहे वो SBI है, चाहे वो चिंटल्स ग्रुप है, मिस्टर सोलोमन, प्रशांत सोलोमन, the Nora Solomon Foundation, and many such people who have contributed in every step of the way, trying to actually make it possible that, no dream is too big. If you can dream it, you can do it. You've shown the world. I think the achievement of your team is in no way smaller than that of the men's World Cup or the women's World Cup or any other World Cup. And I think you've made every Indian proud with what you've done and achieved. So congratulations to you. And at the same time, I just want to say that with the help of positive, like-minded people and a support group, which is, many of those well-wishers are here today at this event, I think you will establish many more milestones. आप अभी और बहुत सारे ऐसे कीर्तिमान स्थापित करेंगे जिनको दुनिया देखेगी, और आपकी सबकी जो स्टोरी है, मुझे लगता है वो सबके लिए, हर एक भारतवासी के लिए एक प्रेरणा का सूत्र बनेगी. They will be inspired, and what it means. As a matter of fact, on behalf of ITV Network, I am going to launch a campaign which I was personally very impressed with. And it is not just the accolades that come with it, but what does it mean to be in your shoes for a day? So, I had come across this campaign where everyone would wear a blindfold and actually hit a ball, which is what the ball you use for the blind cricket, so that people get a brief insight what it means to be someone who does not have the power of vision, but still has the ability and the passion to play for their country, and not only play but win the World Cup. That is an achievement. So I think we all must take part in that campaign, and we must all, for a minute or 5 minutes, just feel what does it mean, see the world through their eyes for a moment. I think that is very, very important, and then we will know what a Herculean task it is, what they have managed to do and achieve. So once again, congratulations to all of you. You've really outperformed the rest of the world, so you really deserve each and every aspect of the accolades coming. And I had wished for something which is coming true. I had wished that day in Modern School that I hope the country comes together and supports our blind women's cricket team as much as they did the women's team or the men's team, because you are the women in blue. So I really want to say, which I truly believe in, there was a time where it used to be seen and looked down upon in society, where you'd say, oh, you fight like a girl, you talk like a girl, you walk like a girl. I want to say, fight like a girl. And you've shown the way, fight like a girl. So thank you very much, all of you, once again. बहुत बहुत बधाई, और इसी तरीके से आप नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित करते रहिए. Thank you to the Chintal Foundation for making this event happen today, and really recognizing and helping them where it matters. That goes a long way. It is people and entities like these that really make things possible. Thank you very much.